Guys, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a keto strawberry smoothie. All you do is do 2 cups strawberries, 1 cup almond milk, and 2 tablespoons Sweetie. This is the magic that makes everything taste so good. Better than tropical smoothie. And it gives you your ice cream fill now that summer's coming. You just turn it on. And voila. Look at that. And I'll taste it for you. Oh my goodness. Like nothing better than this. Nothing better. And how many calories? You got, how many calories? 50, 100 calories here and 30 calories there. This whole thing is 130 calories. Like, you cannot beat this stuff. So go visit healthytreatsmarket.com and buy Sweetie. And I got a lot more smoothie recipes coming.